What's up, guys? It's me, Chris, back with another video, and today we're going to discuss how to make money online in 2021. So let's get started. So the platform we're going to be using today is a site called clickersnap.com. Okay, guys, go ahead and type that in, clickersnap.com. Okay, you guys, this is a great site for anyone who loves to take photos. Maybe you're a photographer or someone who just loves to take pictures for fun. Either way, you can earn commission, okay? You can earn money off people viewing your photos, guys. Yes, you earn money every time someone clicks your photo. So let me show you how. All right, as you can see, guys, I already have the page pulled up. This is clickersnap.com. You see right here, say make money when your photos are viewed. All right, Clickersnap is the only platform in the world where you get paid when your photos are viewed, plus it's free to sign up. Guys, I don't know about you, but I love free things. So being free is definitely a bonus, okay? So as you see right here, they say they're going to pay you 25 cents per photo view. Minimum payout, $15, guys. Not bad at all. So let's go ahead and register. Well, I'm already registered, but I'm go ahead and register with me, guys. I'm going to go ahead and register with Google. Okay. Sign me in. I'm gonna go ahead and sign into my account now. Guys, I hope you take advantage of this opportunity. Go ahead and make some extra income. Passive online money making, guys. Trust me. Passive online money making. You need this, you deserve it. Go ahead and do that for yourself. Alright. So guys, once you get to the home page, I'm not sure exactly why that's popping up right there, but we'll excuse that for now. Go ahead and hit the upload button, guys. Once you create your account and you get to the home page, go ahead and hit upload. So once you get to the upload, oh guys, and by the way, keep in mind that you're only allowed to upload 7 photos a week. Unless you have a paid membership, you can only upload 7 photos a week, guys. All right, keep that in mind now. Now we're going to go ahead and select photos here. Let that load up. Desktop. Where is it? Where's desktop? Oh, there you go. You didn't see that at first. Custom files. I'm not sure why that popped up. I'm not even sure why that popped up. You know what? Let's just go ahead and download that right there. Save image. And put that on desktop. Save. Now we'll go back to here. I didn't feel like going through all my photos to find one to upload, so I just downloaded one. Works better that way. Guys, you can upload anything you want. I suggest trying to put at least 10 to 20 photos in each category, guys. Yes, 10 to 20 photos in each category. Now you do have to edit the title here. I'm just gonna put beautiful tree. Something simple. This is just a tutorial, guys. Don't worry about it. Category. We're going to do nature. Go ahead and confirm. Your image was successfully uploaded. Now, guys, you see right here the little piggy bank with the money and all that good stuff. Now, every time someone views your photo, you get 25 cents. It's going to show up right there, okay? You're going to get your views right here, how many times somebody loved it and liked it, how many comments you have, and then you're going to have your earnings right here, guys. This is simple. It's a great way to make money online. Right here, you can upgrade to Pro. They have a few different options for you. You see right here, even in the free account, guys, you get paid for views. Get paid for views. This is awesome. 7 uploads per week. And they have different accounts. But, I mean, they're not expensive at all. So, guys, go ahead and pick which one you want. And like I said, take advantage of this opportunity. This extra money definitely can come in handy, guys. So, I hope I see you in the next video. And by the way, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.